Good afternoon. I know everybody's been very busy, but I wanted to reach out to you and talk about the actions the Marin City Council has taken as we try to navigate our way through the COVID-19 crisis here in Ocean City. I want to thank you for tuning in and listening to the message, but I also want to thank you for continuing to read our press releases and our messages on social media. Not only is it important that you stay informed, but it's important that you continue to do the right thing and protect your family, your friends, and your neighbors. These are truly unparalleled times, which have called for unparalleled actions. As we have seen here in Maryland and across the nation, the town of Ocean City has also taken drastic measures to protect our residents, our employees, and our community. In early February, we organized an internal planning committee to manage our COVID-19 response. This group worked closely with the Maryland Emergency Management Agency to monitor the threat, enhanced several procedures and protocols to better protect the health of our employees and our residents. Shortly after, in mid-March, Governor Hogan issued the first of many executive orders, all of which we have wholeheartedly supported. We began to cancel events, and we limited access to most of our public buildings and facilities. On March 22nd, we had to make a very tough decision, and I can assure you it was one that we did not take lightly. We closed our beach and boardwalk and began to ask visitors to postpone their trips to Ocean City. This restriction included non-resident property owners from traveling to Ocean City. It's important for everybody to stay home right now, close to your primary medical providers, and to protect your families and the families of others. We do not have the hospital resources right here in Worcester County to provide medical service to populations from outside of this area if, in fact, this pandemic grows. We took another drastic step on March 31st by restricting hotels and rentals to essential lodgers only. We also extended the beach and boardwalk closure date from April 15th to April 30th and closed the inlet parking lot. The latest steps, outlined in a new emergency declaration, restricts short-term accommodations for hotels and rentals to essential lodgers only from now through April 30th, 2020. This includes, but it's not limited to, hotels, motels, condo hotels, and rental property. It also includes private rentals or management companies from renting and all third-party rental services included, but not limited to, Airbnb and VRBO. The exception for essential lodgers are meant to ensure that we have a place for individuals who must be in Ocean City because they are helping in this emergency, or those who have nowhere else to go, such as victims of domestic violence or those who had to vacate their Ocean City homes unexpectedly. What I must tell you, as the mayor of a resort community, it's very hard not to welcome everybody. But at this time, however, saving lives is our priority. In fact, it's our civic responsibility. As we have heard the governor say time and time again, we must all take this seriously. This is a health crisis that is deadly and real. The only way for all of us to stay healthy is to stay home with our families. Governor Hogan and the governors of Delaware, Virginia, and the surrounding states have issued stay-at-home orders. This includes everybody, and by itself restricts travel. We must keep each other safe. Voluntary compliance is our goal, but we will enforce these measures because not following these orders means you are not only putting yourself at risk, but you are putting others at risk as well. I want to thank all of you that have taken this seriously and have adhered to the order to stay at home and practice social distancing. This is not easy, but it is the responsible thing to do, and it has and will continue to make a difference. We want to thank all of our emergency personnel, the doctors, nurses, and first responders for putting themselves at risk to treat and save others. This in itself should be the incentive for all of us to do the right thing and obey all orders and restrictions to curb the spread of this silent, deadly, invisible virus. Ocean City is in the business of welcoming people, but right now, there is no place like home, with your family and staying healthy. I assure you, when the sun comes out, we will welcome you with open arms. The sun will shine, the sand will be warm, and the salt air will be there to remind us all of how lucky we are and how far we have come. We are all in this together, and we will get through this together. We look forward to seeing you soon. Stay home, stay healthy, and God bless each and every one of you.